Okay, here's example 2 from 5.4. Okay, so we're going to use the unit circle to evaluate the following trig functions. And here's our unit circle. I don't know if you can see quite all of it. But it's also should be on Google Classroom. You can see it, you can look at it, you can print it, or whatever you Alright, so important thing to note, right? So we're going to evaluate these 3 using the unit circle, or those 4. And we're going to remember that x is cosine, y is sine, right? That is the basics of our unit circle. Right? So when we go to sine of pi over 3, right? So we go and we locate pi over 3 on our unit circle right here. Sine is the y coordinate. Pop it to the y coordinate. So here's pi over 3. Sine is square root 3 over 2. Right. Over there in B, cosine. Right. So we're going to find angle 3 pi over 4, which is right here. 3 pi over 4. Cosine is the x. Negative square root 2 over 2. We look at C and D. So tangent 3 pi over 2. So here's 3 pi over 2. Now tangent, remember, is y over x. And so here's 3 pi over 2, y coordinate over x coordinate. And you remember this is a problem because we can't divide by 0. So this is undefined because 0 is down there in the denominator. All right. Our last one, cosecant 4 pi over 3. Find 4 pi over 3. Let's see if you can see it on the video. Nope, you can't see that. Let me fold it in half. Okay, so if you go back to C, right, here is our 3 pi over 2 at the bottom of the circle. So here's y over x, cannot divide by 0. So here's our cosecant 4 pi over 3, so we find 4 pi over 3, right? Now cosecant, right, is going to be the flip of sine, right, because the c and s's don't go together. So we're really going to find sine 4 pi over 3, which is the y coordinate, negative square root 3 over 2. And then we're going to flip that for the cosecant. So negative 2 over square root 3. All right, and then if you want to rationalize that, if we multiply both numerator and denominator by square root 3, we have negative 2 square root 3 over 3. Either one of those is going to be good.